I think if you are having fun, being authentic, and making sure you're communicating, you're going to have a great time no matter what.
She a freak in the sheets.
How many amazing suit jackets?
How many have you seen?
I've only seen this one.
Oh, you only seen?
I'm missing out on seeing your whole wardrobe.
Oh yeah, I mean you can check it out. I mean, I used to have a huge wardrobe in Atlanta.
Oh yeah, you're from Atlanta?
Yeah, I'm from Atlanta.
Oh yeah.
Where are you from?
So I grew up all over, but I actually lived in Mississippi for a long time. I know that's not Atlanta, but it's
We're in the South.
it's the South.
in the South. It's way different than here.
It is so different here.
I just moved here 5 months ago.
Really?
Yeah.
What
So-
is the biggest difference?
Oh, I'll give you a lot of big differences. Okay, so the views, like the mountain views, the palm tree views, that experience, the walkability of everything.
Oh yes.
It's not very walkable in Atlanta.
No.
And the people, I love the people. I love how everyone has a dream and a goal, and they're actively going after it, and that just gets me going.
I love that. Yeah, you needed to be somewhere that can match your drive and ambition. I'm feeling like.
Right,
That's my view of you for the moment.
You got it. How about you? You live here now?
So I live here part-time, and I live up in Portland, Oregon the other time, and I'm with you with the mountains and how beautiful it is. I'm a nature girl at my core, so that's where I live.
Love the nature.
It's so beautiful.
It's beautiful. It's like we don't have mountains and.
I like to be surrounded by beauty, if it's nature or babes.
Oh yeah.
Right?
You're right. And what are you nominated for tonight?
So I'm nominated for 3 things, which I'm really excited about. The main one I'm excited about is the I did for Strip with Dorcel, which was so hot. I just want to see clips from it again.
What's hot? How do you have a successful?
So, like all, but in particular, communication is key, and it helps if people are very experienced. Everyone that I got to perform with is at the top of their game, and we were just able to flow from one person to the other. And so I think if you are having fun, being authentic, and making sure you're communicating, you're going to have a great time no matter what.
Oh my God. Sensational.
That's
You
my
really
TED
broke
talk.
that down. You really broke that down.
You're welcome.
I love it. And where do you want people to find you?
So you can find me everywhere at Vauntastic. I'm on Instagram, I'm on Twitter, I'm on OnlyFans, I'm on all of those places, and there's only one Vauntastic. So check it out.
All right, let's get Vauntastic. I'm Javi Mack. Thanks for watching. Javi!